Hello friends, welcome to the channel Solution. Today in this video we will tell you about the different parts of magnetic stirrer with hot plate and also how to operate the magnetic stirrer with hot plate, means the standard operating procedure of magnetic stirrer. This video is also available in Hindi explanation. Link of the video is given in the description box of this video. This is the top surface of the magnetic stirrer. Here you can see this is a circle on the top surface of the magnetic stirrer. We have to keep the container at the center of this circle to stir the liquid present in it. And this is the front part of the magnetic stirrer. This is the power button and this is the temperature controlling knob. Means with the help of this we set the instrument at a particular temperature. And when we move the knob clockwise, the temperature indicating light will get on. Means the indicator will indicate the red light. Move the knob clockwise to set the desired temperature, means to increase the temperature of the instrument. Here we have set the temperature at 50 degrees Celsius. Here the right arrow on the knob indicate at which temperature this instrument is set. This right side knob is the stirrer knob. This knob is to control the steering speed. There is a shaft present inside the stage of this instrument and this shaft is connected with the motor. And when we rotate the stirrer knob clockwise, this shaft starts to rotate. And the bar magnet is attached to this shaft. So the bar magnet will also start rotating when the shaft rotates. And as we move the knob clockwise, then the speed of the shaft will also get increased and the bar magnet will also start to rotate with the same speed as shaft. Turn the knob anti-clockwise completely to stop the steering. Switch off the main after completion of the steering, and then the next important part of the magnetic stirrer is magnetic bead. We have to dip this magnetic bead inside the beaker or container containing liquid, the liquid which we have to stir. And when the magnetic bar rotates, which is present under the stage of magnetic stirrer, then at the same time magnetic bead also rotate, which present inside the container. Next, how to operate the magnetic stirrer. Dip the magnetic stirrer bead inside the container containing liquid which we want to stir. And then first of all connect the main supply of the instrument and then switch on the instrument. After this, place the container at the center of circle of magnetic stirrer stage and then switch on the button and then switch on the knob and then set the temperature if specified for a particular liquid to stir. Means rotate the knob clockwise to set the desired temperature for heating the solution at which we have to stir. And if we have to stir the liquid at room temperature, means if heating is not required during heating, then do not use this temperature knob. Use only the rotation knob, means stirrer knob. And now next set the stirrer knob to stir the liquid. And for this, clockwise rotate the stirrer knob slowly. And as soon as when we slowly start to rotate the stirrer knob, the magnetic bead inside the container starts to rotate, as you can see in the video. And due to this, our liquid also starts to stir, as you can see in the video. You can control the speed by the stirrer knob by moving clockwise and anti-clockwise to slow, middle or high the speed of stirring. This small magnetic bead is coated with non-reactive material like Teflon. As we rotate the stirrer knob clockwise, the shaft which is attached to the motor starts to rotate. Because of this, beads which is placed inside the container starts to spin and therefore our liquid stir. Rotate the knob till we get the desired speed. This magnetic bead is available in different size and shape, and it is selected according to the size of the glassware and also according to the volume of liquid to stir. We have to note that we have to place the beaker or container only at the center of top of the magnetic stirrer for uniform and proper mixing. And the stirring of magnetic stirrer also depends on the liquid viscosity, and it is also depends on the size of magnetic bead. And if we have to stir small volume of the liquid, then we have to take small size bead, and when we have to stir large volume of the liquid, then we have to take big size of the magnetic bead. After completion of the stirring process, then slowly rotate back, means rotate anti-clockwise the stirring knob to stop the rotation and then switch off the instrument. Now you can see that our solute, here we have taken potassium dichromate, is completely dissolved in our liquid after stirring. Then remove the magnetic bead from the beaker and then clean it properly and store it properly. And also turn the temperature knob to 0 and put the main switch off and then disconnect with the mains. Thank you very much for watching this video.